Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Benny here, like always. So as you know, if you saw the previous video, got pulled over once again. I got a ticket for the license plate the third time. Kinda sucks. So now I'm gonna finally like put this license plate on. I got some brackets and I'm gonna drill some stuff onto the bumper where you can't see it, so it's gonna be kind of discreet. You'll be able to see the license plate clearly, but I gotta do some things to it, and then hopefully maybe go look for a cop for have him sign that shit off. We'll see how it goes. There's 3 tickets. I'm not sure how that works. We'll see how it goes, dude. Did I forget to mention? So I showed this yesterday. Yesterday I only had this, and the piece in the bottom. So what happened? Following morning, driving to work, I'll put up a clip. I was driving and this thing, I had zip tied it thinking like, hey, maybe it'll support for a while for the meantime. This thing decides to take off the zip ties, falls off, is hanging. Right away I noticed, so I tried to slow down. I was already slowing down, that's the good thing. But that got caught, the black part got caught with the tire, and that happened. Luckily nothing major damage to the front of the lip, other than those cracks. I mean, it can be fixed, but the bottom piece was what got damaged real bad. So we'll see how that holds. I'm feeling like it's gonna break off, so I don't know what to do. Here's the damage done on the other side. Not too much. Look, there's some of the bolts that are fucking falling off. These are the bolts that were there. They fell off. Fucking couldn't hold on. There's the zip tie I put there last night. So there's overall 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts on each side that hold this together. So I'm gonna put those 5 back. Man, this fucking sucks. I got the screws right here. Let's get to it. Okay. 5. I forgot the washers. Alright, I got all of them in, every single one. Hopefully it holds and these don't fall. We're just gonna have to find out. For the next part, the license plate. We're putting on the license plate right in between there. Probably I'm gonna do it as far back as I can. I don't know, we'll see. Alright, so this is the custom bracket I made for the license plate. It's gonna go right here like I said. Drill 2 holes in there. But I ran out of these screws, so I'm using these things right here. So hopefully it'll work, but I had to substitute that. So yeah. I just fucking hurt myself. The fucking idiot. Finally, after almost getting my finger chopped off, the license plate bolt was a fucking bitch, but I got it on. About to put this back together, and then we're gonna go to the back because in the rear, I gotta put on mud flaps. And I also gotta adjust this back here. You can't really see it, but you'll see it once I show the light. It's not aligned right, or it's messed up. Okay, so I got the bumper back on. I'm just kind of low-key sketch on how this is, like how this drooped part right here. Oh, zoomed out. This droop. The foot. This part. Okay, it's broken right here. So it's just like, I'm kind of like sketched on how it's gonna play out. Hopefully it doesn't have it move too much. I don't know, we'll see. Now to the back. Alright, basically, so what's going on here in the back is this bent. Oh fuck, hold on. Alright, basically what I was saying, let me show you now better. This bent right here, so it isn't holding on right. So this was getting all crooked, not lined up. So I'm gonna get some self-tapping screws, bend this back, and put it in there. So, see how that goes. Alright, so there you go. I put those two screws right there. This is on right. These are like welded on, like, but I just put those right now. Hopefully they don't fall out, because I tend to have trouble with shit falling out. It's fucking annoying now. But we're gonna put the bumper back on, and oh, actually we're gonna put on the mud flaps, and then we'll put the bumper back on. Alright everybody, so there's the final product. As before, it was still a little loose right here. I don't know if you guys can tell. I can see it definitely. I was putting this thing on, dude. There is a lot of body work that needs to be done that I'll probably be doing in the future. Like probably sometime after the holidays, because you know, gotta get that holiday stuff done. And then it'll probably get repainted. More likely same color. But for now, I got everything done. Oh, and I also put the mud flaps. Forgot to mention that. They're not lined up that well. I think this one's higher than the other one, but I just need them for now. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next